Usambot Menteri Rangba Kajala Meghalaya uba Preston Tensong hakaski nengkong ulapan benai ke Jingjob hakabayadei bat ke Jingja jongki Shijur nanongba Indore kibawan kai sngobha Shah East Khasi Hills haunai jemmang. Hakajinge trelang bat buon teli kiwei pat kijala saungot kibreu arngot na Indore bat uwei na Latifpur UP kila syakem laong uba Preston Tensong. Ula penti kenaro ba kasonam Raghuvanshi kala ITH dalade Hagazifpur UP bat menta kadan hakakti kipulit. Uba Tensong ulayaro ikipulit ke jela Meghalaya kipulit SIT, SDRF, NDRF bat kiwei kiken hun kibala trei shitom klem sange wat hapadeng shibun kijing e. Kani ka Jingjob ka penpau ka Jing trei shitom klem kan randin jongi ban penne e kibor jongkaan ula benram.
Meghalaya Police is pleased to announce a significant breakthrough in the investigation into the recent case involving the disappearance of a honeymooning couple from Indore, Madhya Pradesh, who went missing in the East Khasi Hills district in the month of May 2025. Following sustained investigative efforts and multi-state coordination, 4 individuals have been apprehended in connection with this case. 2 from Indore, Madhya Pradesh, and 1 from Latifpur, Uttar Pradesh. These arrests mark a decisive development in unraveling the circumstances surrounding the tragic death of Sri Raja Raghuvanshi and the subsequent disappearance of his wife, Srimati Sonam Raghuvanshi. In a further development, Srimati Sonam Raghuvanshi has voluntarily surrendered at the Nanganj police station in Ghazipur district UP and is currently in the safe custody of the UP police. Necessary legal protocols are being followed for her transit and formal statement. This outcome is the result of round-the-clock efforts made by the Meghalaya Police Special Investigation Team, supported by the State Disaster Response Force, National Disaster Response Force, NISAC, local intelligence units, and law enforcement agencies across multi-states, Dorbar Sora, West Jante Hills Monitoring Club, District Administration, and media. Despite geographical and logistical challenges and sustained public and media scrutiny, our teams remain steadfast in their commitment to upholding the rule of law. We take this moment to reaffirm that the Meghalaya Police is committed to delivering justice with integrity, professionalism, and perseverance. We are deeply grateful to the families, the citizens of Meghalaya, and all our interstate counterparts for their cooperation and support throughout this complex investigation. Further updates will be shared as the legal proceedings advance. We respectfully urge the media and the public to allow the process of justice to take its course and to also refrain from any speculation. So this is the statement that I would like to flag off in front of you, and this is for the benefit and for the information of all the concerned in the state of Meghalaya, Northeast, as well as in the national